Ka program ban ai jing hikai bat batai gi khna skul ka balong ru ka khubor ka Khuid ka Suba baru halor ka jing pnumlen ban bam gi jing bam gi batai ba gudan gi vitamin bat proteins ban yarap ban tei ya ka met ka poino shaka bakot. Kate program la tip kum ke exhibition kam outreach program halor ka Swachh Bharat bat Poshan Abhiyan. Ya ka bala penlon da office jong ka Central Bureau of Central Communication, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shillong. Kabla ne laisngi ya kabla yo ban sedang ha khatwe trik risau ban lapan kut no menta kasngi khalai trik risau aja pulai. Bat hakini ki laisngi la yo ru ban pelong ki program boper ba kentop ya ke inter school quiz competition exhibition bat kiwe. Ya kabla pelong ha plau jong school Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh. Hakani kasngi lawan bansaki dau MLA ke Nongpoh ba Meral Bonds im kum kongsan haka jinon lang ka kong WK Bla principal jong Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh lembat kiwe. Hakatik program nakaliang Central Bureau of Communication kala sam le khusnam sikhna school gi bra job hakijiya kop gi boper.
So dear student, this kind of program, interaction, where I'm not wrong to say that all of you are here together from different school, coming from different background, different community, different language we speak, but still we are one. We are here together. We are here together as one. To be part of this beautiful program in different activities that has been organized. The trophy that you have received, it is symbolic. It is a symbol that you have won. But very important is that within your heart, how you will build your career, how you will build your individuality. That is very important. What it is there out of this trophy. Trophy you can keep at home as a symbolic certificate you will keep. It will remind you 20, 30 years later, you will remember, okay, on that year I have won this. But important issue is that from now on, try to build your career, try to build in the society you are living, how you will treat, how you will behave with others. It is very important, especially in this generation that we are living, which is full of activities that will carry away our mind. It is important that we have to remember. We belong to a country where we can follow any religion. It is a secular country. Be it a Christian, be it a Hindu, be it a Muslim, be it a Buddhist, Sikh, all religion, we respect each other.
But if I ask the teachers who are here, welcome to Alpha School, if I ask you how much time did you get to prepare them for the science exhibition or for any activities that we have in the district, we really barely have enough time to prepare. Many times our schools, we are getting, like today they'll announce and tomorrow we have to give the program. That has been the cases many times. But I'm so thankful to the teachers of other schools and our teachers as well for actively involved in this program these last 3 days, because we as teachers, we believe in exposing students. We want to extract the talents from you, because so many of you out there have such talents that we as teachers don't know unless we have such activities. We really don't know if we really have dancers and then painters and artists, and then we really don't know if we have those people who are good in quiz, like any item, because all of us are given certain talents and flares that we can show, that we can expose. I mean, unless it is exposed, we won't know how to develop them. So thank you so much, sir, for your department, for helping our students here, for those who have participated, to learn from the various exhibition and the activities that we've had. Also, we've had a very nice lecture on nutrition from the ICDS department, the nutrition and whatever, because these are very much connected to you as students.